Hi friend, welcome to Technical Debug. Today I show you how to create a basic tree texture using Unity. So let's start it. So at first click on game object in menu, 3D object, then there have a tree option, click on. So in here add a optimized tree prefab. So there have already create a one single branch. Okay, it's better. Right side of the inspector there have a open lot of option regarding tree, and basically in here a two option for creating a tree, one each branch and another each leaf, and this is the root tree node. This yellow position is the max width of the tree, and this branch length is the max height of the tree. Click on tree root node and there have a tree set. That's mean there have a lot of tree structure. Using this slider you can spread up and spread down the max width position, and it is the ground offset. Now I am clicking branch group. There are a lot of option. One is ground spread, and it is frequency, how many tree are needed for you. That is the random number generated tree into the area spread. So there are another option, random, alternate and opposite. There is a cross section, and its growth scale, the angle of the tree, and there have a lot of option. So need some time and try all those option. So I am quickly show you how to create a basic structure of tree. So let's start it. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.